Hello and welcome. Today we'll see Boolean data type. So make a new folder inside Python that is for bool. In Python we use bool data type. Okay. A new example a.py. So let's see. Okay, so remember the three keywords which are in camel case: true, false and none. Okay, so true and false are Boolean data type. Okay, true or false. So print x. Remember this is case sensitive. If we write lowercase t, then it will give us error. Okay, Python cd for boolean a.py. Look, true. And if we write lowercase t, close this, a.py. Name true is not defined. Okay, so it is treating this true value as a variable which is not defined yet. Okay, now b.py. Now in this we'll see false, true and false. Only two boolean types are there. So b.py false. Okay, similarly we can't use lowercase f. b.py name false is not defined. Okay, it is treating again false as a variable. Okay, so that's it in boolean. So let's make a new example. 5 str. Okay, string 5 str. Okay, so string data type is little bit lengthy, so we'll see it in parts. Okay, so we'll make subfolder 1 basics. In this folder we'll see the basics of string, like how string is written, what is the syntax for that. Okay, so new example a.py. Okay, so in Python we can make string by three types: single quotes, double quotes and triple quotes, like this. So we'll see each of them in detail. So print x. Now we'll change the directory cd5 str and cd1 basics. Okay, because we have a subfolder in string. a.py. Look, okay, our string is printed as it is. Okay, so let's make a new example. b.py x equal to John, print x. b.py. Okay, look, John. So single quotes and double quotes are similar. The difference is in triple quotes. Okay, so c.py x equal to, now we'll see triple quotes. Okay, so triple quotes is generally used for writing multi-line string. Okay, if we have a very large string and we want to write it in multiple lines, then we'll use triple quotes. Okay, it is generally used as multi-line comment because there is no multi-line comment in Python. So it is not comment, basically it is a string type, but it can be used as comment. Okay, multi-line comment. Okay, so look, he's a good boy. And if we write this in next line, then look, then let's see what's happened. c.py, he is a good boy. Okay, it is printed as it is, and if we give spaces here, then it will print in that way. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll continue in the next lecture. Thank you.